Hey guys, welcome back to another Automotive Intrigue video. I'm Megan, this is Ben, and this is Scotland.
Drove up yesterday and it was about a 10-hour drive straight through, absolutely beautiful, and then we stayed the night in Tindrum, which was kind of interesting. It was a tiny little town, not much there at all, a little small hotel. We slept like a rock because we'd been driving all day, so
been up since 3 AM. It was a full-on drive, but it was really smooth. We got here in really good time.
No issues. Touch the way, it keeps going well. And we'll show you plenty more of the North Coast 500. We're heading up to the Isle of Skye today, so that should be pretty crazy, and hopefully some amazing scenery to see. And yeah, we'll catch up with you guys. We'll give some more footage and some beautiful scenery, as well as catch up with you in the car, talk a little bit more about what's been happening with us, what's happening in life, and yeah, we'll have a bit of an adventure hopefully.
Cool. Alright, let's roll.
Peace out. So we've arrived on the Isle of Skye and we've found a beautiful little camp spot, which the name of is not coming to my mind at the moment, but I'll let you guys know because it's well worth a visit if you ever happen to be on this island. And it's just gorgeous. Scenery all around is beautiful. Few hours of driving today, mostly amazing driving roads. I mean, Scotland is just unfathomable for driving. It's just beautiful. The roads are epic, very little traffic. Obviously the weather can be a bit hit and miss. At the moment it's kind of a mixed bag, as you can see, and we might have some rain coming. I feel like there is a little bit of rain coming, oh no. But this is the setup. We got the two cars parked up here. Jamie actually does have an Abarth 695 XSR, but he chose to bring a TDI Golf, which is interesting. And I'm gonna have to start packing the stuff away because it's raining, but we got the tents all set up, so a little bit of luxury car camping. It's good times. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. It's a beautiful bit of surrounding. Time to relax, switch off, all good.
Hello, good morning, welcome back to the vlog. So we have packed up and left our campsite in Glenbrittle and we are walking to the fairy pools on the Isle of Skye. Benny's in the background, and our view this morning, which you can't actually see, I'll turn the camera around in a second so you can have a look at it, but is these absolutely incredible mountains. It's kind of hard to believe that we haven't actually started the North Coast 500 yet, because some of the driving roads that we've been cruising through have been absolutely amazing. Some of the best roads I've ever driven on. And so we're gonna go for a little hike out towards these pools, out towards the waterfalls, and then we're gonna get back on the road and head up towards Ullapool for this evening, or around that area, to actually start the North Coast 500 route. And then yeah, our plan is to head up to Durness, John O'Groats for Thursday, which is going to be the summer solstice, and then down to the Cairngorms for one night before we head back to Brighton. So yeah, let's go see some waterfalls.
This is part of the fairy pools, and it's beautiful. The water is so crystal clear, it's unbelievable. I really want to go for a swim, but there's quite a lot of people, and I'm not sure that they'll appreciate it as much as I would. It's absolutely crystal clear, and I'm shouting because it's kind of loud as well. But look at that for a view, look at that natural pool. Gorgeous. And these mountains looming above us, they're so intimidating. It's crazy. Good times, I'm excited.
We just walked past a sign that said you are now leaving the fairy pools and entering potentially dangerous mountain country, so that's quite exciting. Got some incredible views behind us. Seen quite a lot of fairy pools, and you can see why they call them that. They're all really turquoisey and blue and mystical. All of the stones and rocks around them look like they were created by fairies. There's definitely an air of magic to this place. And when you've got the big, giant, looming mountains in the background, there's definitely something quite special about it. So I imagine we'll just walk until this path runs out, and then maybe have a cup of coffee and some snacks, and then head back towards Fonzie for the drive to Ullapool. But check out.
And very refreshed because I had a little dip in the water, stripped down and took a jump in a nice mountain stream, and yeah, it was cold. Oh, camera strap flying around the wind. It was cold, but it was worth it.
It looked freezing.
Yeah, it was really nice. I took the coffee in and a little pecan maple pastry. Had that whilst I was in the water. Absolutely delicious. Makes you feel alive, that's for sure.
I felt alive just watching.
Yeah, no, it's definitely worth it, you know. It's worth doing when you're up here. Have a little swim. And now we're going to gradually make our way back down to the car because we've got to put some miles behind us.
Yeah, I'm not sure how far it is between here and Ullapool, but it's a good couple of hours minimum.
Yeah, we're going to have to get some miles done.
Yeah,
luckily the driving roads are pretty beautiful.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can enjoy the miles we're putting in, and then find a nice little place to camp again, get set up for the evening, and then yeah, take it easy. The car's doing really well, the Abarth's rocking strong. It had its first major service just before we left, so now we're just over 14,000 miles. It's had a couple of minor services, but the first time having oil change and everything like that. And
running really smooth.
Yeah, it's running so smooth. Took it to an Abarth dealer just to do it properly.
43 miles per gallon on this trip.
Yeah, 44 on the way up, which is unheard of. Like, I don't know what's going on. I'm not using enough throttle or sport button, I guess. But yeah, it's been a joy to drive, and everything fits in. I mean, I'd love thinking about a roof box maybe, because then we could put all of the other bits in top. But at the moment, everything's in there. So we've got all the car camping kit, all the photography stuff, all our clothes with us for a week of driving and camping, and everything's in there, and it's not packed. I mean, it is packed. It's not cramped. It's not jammed in. It fits.
Yeah, it's comfy.
Yeah.
Got nothing in between our feet. It's all on the back seats or in the boot. Got loads of room. Could probably fit another tent in there, to be honest.
Yeah, if we wanted to. Why not?
Want to come?
So we're going to jump back down to the bottom of the mountain and start driving, and we'll see where the rest of the day takes us from there. Adventures ahead. Ta-da!